看昨晚上的计划。昨天晚上8点多说，呃，如果那个 gap 5854到5840 hold，就有可能看到5884附近，然后595904到5910 ，yep，然后这个地方我们看 reversal，那他看一下 ES 哈，ES 是最高的时候就只达到了5893，昨天夜盘的时候，这个地方我是有 short，然后 stop loss 根本就没有 visit，right？然后今天早晨我们也说了哈，因为今天不是重新回测了5854、5850这个地方吗？然后我们上 call，哎，这个时候我们上的 NDX call，然后 long NQ，然后这个地方我们又做了那个 short，是58403块6毛钱进的。其实如果要是我这个地方被打出来了哈，我是这个地方完完全全被打出来。如果当时 stop loss hold 的比较紧一点，就是松一点，放到这个地方，这个 call 是这个 put 是至少应该去了30块，所以我后来就踢自己的屁股哈，那也没有办法出去了就出去了哈，然后现在这是小时级别的3浪下跌。那是3浪，然后4浪很有可能就回到这个附近哈，5860、585这个附近，不应该极值是不应该去到5880这个地方的哈，我觉得到5850到5860这个地方就应该差不多了，然后会回到这个地方，回到其实应该是回到5780，应该是低于5810这个位置。为什么呢？我给你看一下 volume profile，看一下日线的哈，给你们看一下，Trading View 的 volume profile。其实 Trading View 的 volume profile 也不错，它是日线级别哈，已经 daily breakdown，right？这黄线是白天的低点，你看这底下是啥？啥也没有，是完完全全的一个 volume gap，所以去回到5801，就是周线的低点，然后到5780是非常非常可能的。那你看这个地方小时级别的完完全全，我当时已经给你们画出 road map，right？ One, two, 啥？Three，这是昨天还是前天写的？然后4、5，right？这个都已经写了3天了吧？昨天还是前天写？昨天没有 market recap，那肯定就是周六写的。对啊，周六 market recap 写的，或者是上周。那你看这个3是不是就在这个地方？然后4、5，那2小时级别，2 hours still here. Don't forget that. 5750. Okay, that tells me something about this election is not clean. It could be contested. I don't know. So if you want to be safe, then just buy shares, QQQ, whatever, or wait until the election is over. Okay, so NQ, let's look at NQ here. By the way, I am in long macro NQ. So this is daily here. This value area high, daily level. If losing that level, we don't really have much volume until what, 20200. And if you look at this 60 minutes, is outlined now with this is support. And let's look at the 240 minutes. sometimes I go to look at larger time frame. So today, the first demand zone, it went up huge. And I said the first target gonna be 20707. So actually, we should have done NDX puts. I look at it and it was really expensive, so I did a Loto. Loto, it was 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I gave you guys the wave 5 down. And then played out perfect. Look at this. So I just did one. If I did 10 contracts, I would have made it really good money. It went to, I think, at least 10. I acted at 5, at least went to 10. But we should have shorted here. NDX, we would have made 20, 30,000 easy. But anyways, so if you look at the 240 minutes, this is the impulse retracement. It really just come back down to the W bottom, right? So the first level, 20400, and then bounced almost 50 points now. So I've been staring at it since I'm working on the market recap. I've been staring at it for the last at least an hour. So I'm up 50 points. So the first resistance would be 20470. That's the day session low, but I do think it should come back at least to 550-ish. Let's look at it. So when they come down, when they print the wave 4 hourly, at least to 20, wow, that's very low. Not even 20500. I ideally come back to this level, but it could also come here because they're really the upper is 20522 and it's volume gap. So it really depends on Microsoft and Meta, whether they're like bought up. So I went through both earnings in details. I read through line by line, and the earning was good. And so Microsoft bounced, went back up after the earning to, and then they pushed all the way down. I'm like, what? Let's look at. Yeah, they pushed all the way back down. So I loaded some again. And so if you didn't do it, I think you may have a chance to lower because this is what I see on Microsoft. See that? This is hourly 1, 2, 3, 4. So there could be a chance to come to lower here, like a 4, 6, 400. So I'm setting a limit order here at a 400 or 4 or 5, just in case. It's in my trade channel, they're loaded. So if you want to do it, by all means, follow. Okay, so that is that. And Meta earning is really good too. So I was thinking to buy at 475 and it's nowhere near even close. I picked I got like a 50 shares here and I got out. Now I'm watching. I want to see what's happening tomorrow. If the so if you don't want to do anything yet, it's okay. See, look, 545 hourly time frame. So if you don't want to do anything, I think we didn't finish the dropping yet. Yes, if yes, come back down, come back up here. Right now, 60-minute reversal, right? Breakout and come down. then we can buy puts. And after the V5 print, we can load some Microsoft and Meta. I'm not even interested in Meta. 545 is not cheap. But anyway, so Google daily wave 4 printed. So if you don't have shares, there's what, $10, $12 move. So what I will do, I'll wait until the market finishes dropping. You know, I thought about what happened to Microsoft and Meta. So Amazon, I was bullish on Amazon, but now I'm not so sure because we are during the blackout area. So after this week, I think the blackout period is over, and then the buyback starts. So Amazon is pretty high. So why would they want to not push Amazon down so they can reload it, right? So this is hourly. Wave 4 is pretty high up. So see, that's a daily wave 5 finished. Now hourly time frame, 1, 2, 2 hour, 1, 2, 3. So I don't know. Amazon, I think, may come back down to 175 or 180 below, anywhere near 180. I think Amazon will be good. So if Amazon earning tomorrow another drop, I think that would help the market to make wave 5 down here. So let's see what's going to happen. Other than that, AMD, I know you guys all love AMD. I know. So AMD, this is big impulse and it's still uptrend, believe or not, because still way higher than 130. So I'm not really concerned, but the one thing as a trader, we always need to reflect, say, hey, what could I have done better? What could we have done better? It was, we did not hedge. So it went so high, we forgot to hedge. We didn't do, usually, because, yeah, I thought about it. I think that's something we could have done better, even though it may went down the drain, gone down the drain. But anyway, so that's AMD. Other than that, our new portfolio is not too bad. We don't have CI. CI earning tomorrow. I really want CI to pop to 340. AMD dropped too much. Yeah. I usually, every time AMD come to high, I hedge. I think I was too positive about it. But so anyway, look at our 50,000 portfolio. I think it's not too bad so far. Market down, we have SCA is green today. Daily breakout. MACD is about to get ready, not 100% ready yet. PSA, 2-2 reversal, no, 2-1, that's 2-1. So that's not too bad. SPGI, I think for a while was green and then now it's red. So we didn't do this. I was thinking we have what, Qualcomm. I was thinking Qualcomm is not high and it's quite low. It's still in this range. So I was thinking if Microsoft drop we could loan Microsoft, but Microsoft doesn't really have a lot of room to the upside. So daily 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 probably gonna go to 450. If you drop to 400, 450, that's 10%, but that's a safer 10%. So I didn't do, when he said ARM should be safer, I didn't do ARM. I added a little bit more share on ARM today, but we went in ARM really low. We went here. I think if market dropped more, we may have a chance at 145 reload it. So I was thinking we should do this. We should buy ARM if it come back down this level. Okay, so someone asked me for solar whether it was a good level to buy, and I bought some, not a whole lot, but it did go back up. So now we have positive divergence on daily. I mean, there's nothing wrong about earning or the sticker. It's purely politics. So anyway, so now QQQ has gone up over 60 points. And see what is doing NQ. Don't tell me it's already printed 4. That'll be 2. It's almost there. So I'm hoping is really not a good strategy. So 2 hours also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 hours, however, have a lot of room to go. So after 2 hours, print wave 5 down with somewhere, I would say, I want to say somewhere near either this level. I think extreme situation would be 20260. I don't see dropping lower than that because it's buying pretty strong, but I will see. So if going up here and then we can see whether we can short, I think the downside is somewhere near 20300 area. So anyway, that's what I'm thinking. And you know, with election coming, no one knows what's going to happen. I mean, even though you guys need to go vote, okay? If you haven't voted yet, you have to go early voting just in case, you know, something, the Democrats always make some shit up and, you know, run out of paper or, you know, and then when your ticket's printed, you need to check whether the printed ticket is what you chose, just in case, okay? So early voting, go vote early in case anything happens and you can do it. I always say I would rather not make money, not lose money. So next Tuesday, I'm off next week. I'm gonna sit in front of YouTube or whatever TV. I don't have TV at home. To wait for the election results. I'm not positive that we are gonna know the results the same night, but hey, I'm being hopeful. I can hope, right? So anyway, I think that's all I have is short and sweet. Better wait until this drought is over. If you don't want to do anything, don't do anything. Just wait after the election, and then you know, and then we do something. You know, this whole year we have been pretty good on the direction. But if you just want to have a hold on shares, that's not a big deal because year end it's gonna have a rally because everybody is calling for 63,000. I don't know about 63,000, but ADP and the labor market. What I don't understand about this labor market, and I don't know, maybe I'll never understand. So Thursday, unemployment claim is bad. And then Friday, non-farm payroll trend is really good. That was unexpected. So election, a lot of the Trump tickers already pre-run. The Bitcoin is not only 7,000 points from my upside target. 7,000 points is nothing. And I've been bullish since where? Here, right? This is my zone, demand zone. I have been saying 70,000 target for months. So I got out the position. I didn't even make a strategy today. Like after coin earning, and it was down. I bought it here, and then I'm out and flat. So I don't think if you have mega tickers, I don't think you need to have anything because either Kamala or Trump, they all like technology anyways. But probably technology will be more pro-Trump. So I would get out Bitcoin related ticker. So, if you got in, we got in BITX from what, 21, 23, 21, 22? Here. This is our level gets in. I mean, this is 100% or 50%. That's pretty good for me. 60, 70%. And hey, we don't have to eat every bite of the meat. For me, I'm very, that's why sometimes I run faster than you guys. And like, okay, so how do I run? Someone asked me, Jade, how do you watch? Okay, I watch it. I have level already drawn, right? Like you see the same chart during market recap. And so I have this ready, like trading. And when this turn like this is 3 line cross downside. Immediately I'm out. Like when I see this red dot, I'm already out. It's like it didn't even hit my thing. And then this middle candle, I already don't like it. So you can watch on 1 minute chart too. That's why I can run so fast. It's not that I'm just the way this is the most important teacher that I care about. I mean, clearly, what do you see? Like this is reversal down with 3 lines together. Immediately you exit. Like you just drag it, right? You have your order ready already. So there's no snap. Like snap, I was bullish, and then I actually bought 100 shares before the earning. And okay, let me go to 5 minutes. And I usually have a level ready and I'm watching. Let's go back to our daily. And so daily, this clearly uptrend, right? I was thinking if you come back down here, I'll be interested. So that's my line. And I go to 5 minutes. Go to 5 minutes and I have order entry ready. And this is long needle. I'm chasing. I'm telling you, I'm chasing. When I see something like this, I'm chasing. So I got in and I got out. It really just, there's nothing different what I do. then what you guys do? So I don't know what's going to happen to SMCI. They did the accounting fraud. So I don't know. I think I even made money on this. I went in and got out 800 shares. 800 shares like $7. That's not bad, right? So I don't know if I were, I don't know the CEO knows. I assume they do because the CFO, I don't know, they prepare for this kind of stuff. They have to fire the CFO and make him scapegoat. I don't know if they have some and then compensate him in some ways. So right now, I would stay far, 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 far away from this. I mean, okay, so if the company say we know nothing about it, it's all the fault of CEO, CFO, then the company, no one knows the true condition. If you have to lie, make up your number, and they haven't issued 10K, so has I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. Are they going to be delisted? So I have no idea what's happening. Um, so SMCI, if you didn't short it, don't touch it. Lily is daily wave 5 up. Target it should be 990. 990 here. So it came back all the way down, and I think daily up sent a warning saying, hey, almost reversal. And we did an 800 call. We also did a book for spread. Okay, Wendy did. I didn't call out this call. Because it's so expensive. It was $70-$80 per contract. So I said, too much. Okay. So anyway, I did a call and book for spread. Coin, I didn't read earning, but the trend didn't change, right? It hit the 190 and went back up 200 now. So, but I'm not in there. The reason why I just explained that I don't want to be in the middle of the political ticker. It's very high already. So the way we got in, first time we got in was 190 something, and then we added at 140 something, right? And then we took profit, we went added again, and now we're all out. So okay, so if you want to add some, you're more than welcome to. Well, you're more than welcome to do, but you cannot really hedge it. You can buy a put. The election night is gonna be evening, right? Results coming out. I don't know. I will just all avoid it. So Hood, I already shared my opinion on Hood. It's daily wave 5 up. Target is gonna be back to the 29.30. So it dropped to this area. So without looking at, here is our area interest, right? We want the price come back down here and then we buy, right? Look, price where? And so look at 30 minutes. 30 minutes, 23, 20. So you have to be prepared, right? We already know here is what we want to do. And if you're interested, then you have to get ready. As soon as you see this big candle, I find this little blue dot is very good. I like it a lot. And what is it? It's pivot high, pivot low, top and bottom. So when it's absolute bottom, this thing shows up, and it turns out usually the bottom. So as soon as the little thing showed up, I just bought. And so from 23 to 26, not bad. Okay, if they're gonna 29, 30, do I care? I don't really care. I already made my money. I'm not holding it. I'm out. And so if you come back down, reverse, okay, then let's redo again, right? So DJT stopped me out. So I said go long somewhere here, and then literally it just hit there and then back down. So I got stopped out. And evening session, I did it. I did it about over $1. That's over $1, not too bad. But I don't think this sticker gonna move. I think it's just gonna wait for the election. However, I do see hourly time frame DJT. 2 hour hourly go back to 62. That's meaning that means Trump has to win in order to, if Trump doesn't win, this thing is gonna go back down, I don't know, to $5, $10. So Tesla, there's nothing to say. Tesla is daily wave 4 down. Gonna be 246. I think when the market dropping, it will come back down to, I'll watch for 240, something for, I did a couple of scalpings, but nothing serious. So we'll see if it's come back down, hourly time frame 1, 2, 3. So if Trump win, this thing gonna go to 280, 300 overnight, but we don't know that. So okay, so I think I answered all the questions. Just be safe. I mean, we don't have the trade every day. So you know, if you come to the key level, set alert and then short and stop loss. Or you just don't do anything until the drop is over after election. So yeah. So anyway, that's my take. But if you have a ticker bought from low, held through all this time, like FNGU, Microsoft, all that from 380, 390. If you, I assume you took profit high and then you added, and then just hold it. Market won't drop too much. Those good tickers going to be bought up. If you read Meta earning, they spend over $8 billion on stock buyback. $8 billion. You know, that made a tons of money for them. So Meta last earning dropped to what, 440? Last earning? No, when was the last earning? There was one earning drop to this low. And then last earning dropped to 500. Now it's didn't even break the pivot point. So think about it. If they bought stock back from here, how much money they made? They made that's like $150, right? So that's Meta make more money that way than they actually probably the sales. So I literally went through all the earnings. I still have the page open from like this Microsoft. This is Meta. Like I literally read everything verbatimly. One thing I don't know why their capital spending costs and expenses has gone up a lot, but they didn't say what. So cash equivalent, look at free cash flow They have tons of money. Tons of money. Look, free cash flow this much. Um, long-term debts that much, and headcounts. So, okay, they hired someone back. So they laid off a whole bunch of people. Now they hired 9% back of those people. That probably is the housing expenses. So anyway, you guys should learn to read the earnings, kind of knows what to look for. Anyway, all right, that's all I got. And tomorrow morning I have a doctor appointment. Nothing to worry. It's just allergy test. And I will start this sport a little bit early. 7:30. I have to leave my home at 8. Let me see what news we have. If we don't have major news, tomorrow is Thursday. Thursday. Oh, we have PCE. I don't know if people still care about PCE. PCE unemployment claim. So okay, we're gonna jump on this for 7:30, and I'll leave my house around 8. Okay? All right. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Good night. Bye.